Hey guys, in this section I'm gonna show you how do you move files with the Node.js. For move files, the first steps you need to create a new file called this movefile.js. The first steps you need to import the EFS module. In this FS module exists a function called this rename. We will go create a folder here called this save, and you multiply. After you make this, you go create a new function async called this move file. This file will save a source property and the destination. The source is what is this file array? This file array in this folder. The destination is what is when I will move this. You go move this for the save folder. The next steps I use the try cat for get errors. I use a alert and you use the EFS. Use the method rename sync. Rename receive all the path. All the path is the source, and you save the new path into save. Is destination value. You print a console log if this work is successful, and you paste a message moved file from to with success. If you receive a error, you go print a console error in my terminal. Here you paste a message. Before this message, you paste the message error. For the last steps, you just get this message. You get this function. You paste this source. What is this file adding? You just copy this file directory. Paste this directory in the first parameter and the second parameter. You go paste the end folder. You just paste here save slash and the file name. For the last steps, you just open your terminal and you run the file. Copy this movefile.js, use node command node and the file name, and they move this file for save. Or just see if you can rename this for data. Just change here and they move this file. I try to execute this movefile.js. Use Node. You just change data for data. My file grosses 1.csv. And then move for data. Thank you for watching.